Most people aren't broke because they don't make enough money. They're broke because of habits. Small, invisible money mistakes they repeat every single month. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 of the most common money mistakes that are quietly destroying your savings, and exactly how to fix each one. Stick around for number 4 because that one surprises almost everyone. Mistake number 1. Spending before saving. Most people get paid, pay their bills, spend what they want, and save whatever's left. The problem? There's almost never anything left. The fix is simple. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck arrives, automatically transfer 10 to 20% into a separate savings or investment account before you touch anything else. Apps like Acorns or just a simple auto transfer through your bank make this effortless. You won't miss money you never see. Mistake 2. Keeping all your money in a regular checking account. The average checking account earns 0.01% interest. Inflation runs at around 3% a year. That means your money is literally shrinking in value while it sits there. Fix. Move your emergency fund into a high-yield savings account. In 2026, you can earn 4 to 5% with accounts from banks like Marcus, Ally, or SoFi with zero risk. That's the difference between your money rotting and your money growing. Mistake 3. No budget, or a budget you ignore. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. You don't need a complex spreadsheet. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, 20% on savings and debt. Even rough awareness beats no awareness. Apps like YNAB or Mint can automate this tracking in minutes. Here's number 4, the one most people don't expect. Not investing because you think you need a lot of money to start. This belief has cost everyday people hundreds of thousands of dollars in missed growth. The truth? You can start investing with $1. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Schwab have zero minimums. Even $25 a week invested in an index fund, starting at age 25, could grow to over $200,000 by retirement. Starting late is a mistake you can't undo. Starting small is perfectly fine. Mistake 5. Paying only the minimum on credit cards. If you carry a $3,000 balance at 22% interest and only pay the minimum, it'll take over 10 years and cost you nearly $3,000 extra in interest alone. Pay as much as you can above the minimum. Mistake 6. No emergency fund. Without one, any unexpected expense, car repair, medical bill, job loss, sends you straight into debt. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses saved before you invest aggressively. Mistake 7. Lifestyle inflation. Every time your income goes up, your spending goes up to match. This is the silent wealth killer. Instead, bank at least half of every raise or bonus before you adjust your lifestyle. Those are the 7 money mistakes most people make. And now you know how to fix them. If you caught yourself in even one of these, that's valuable. Knowledge is only useful when you act on it. Subscribe for weekly videos that break down money in plain English. And drop a comment. Which mistake hit closest to home for you? Next video, I'm covering index funds, the single simplest way to grow wealth over time. See you there.